Yeah, real good day out today. Not really, it's pretty crappy. But we have a couple tows to do. So first tow, bringing a car to a friend's house. It was a car that I picked up. I was going to fix it up and sell. He has a family member that needs a vehicle. So we are going to get that to him. He's going to fix it up, give it to him because they are in need. So we are going to help them out, bring the car to him, and help him along the way, get it fixed up and get it ready for her. And then we'll just see what the day brings. So yeah, without further ado, let's get out in the truck, get that car loaded up because it's already at the shop, and see where the day leads. Okay. Well guys, I found Jeremy. He is stealing my jack, and he is working heavily. We are looking at his YouTube channel. Oh, that was Bondo Billy. Bondo Billy, guys.
This guy's
we are great fans.
Yep, Bondo Billy.
Bondo Billy.
He's got it made. Shot up like this, went to 10, 12K, flat line again. I don't
know.
Oh yeah,
man, got that. Oh
yeah. Touched my like thingy. Yeah, 46 likes. But yeah, we're gonna be just like him one day.
Anyway, there's your jack. I need to get going with my day. Can't put dog food on the table for free.
I just needed to raise my spirits a little.
We're gonna make a GoFundMe for Jeremy so he can retire and be a happy car hoarder.
Garage 54, we progressively narrow the tailpipe. When will the car refuse to run? That is something I'd like to know.
Okay, well, here is your truck. Go put your jack in the truck, and I'm gonna go get that car loaded up. You probably can't hear me, so let me get in the truck. Alright, so gonna get that car loaded up. It is right there. So I'm gonna put you on the tow truck bed cam, and yeah, get it done. Alright, you guys, got the car loaded up. I'm going to finish strapping it down, and I'm going to give this whole cat GoPro attachment a whirl, so hopefully it works out good, otherwise you won't be able to see anything. So let's try it. Perfect. Drove right over this strap. Well, that's alright. We only need 3. Technically it's an 8-point tie down with just that one and the one on the left front, because it's 2 points. 1, 2. So we're still good. Alright guys. So we got the car loaded up. And gotta wait a little bit to drop it off. Gotta wait for the customer to be available. But Jeremy, you all know Jeremy from the other videos. Make sure my door's locked, good to go. He invited us to go get some coffee and pretend we're successful business owners for a little while. So yeah, let's go see what he's doing. That's my shop over there. And here is his shop. He does his auto restoration. You guys should know that if you watched the other video. So find him. Oh, there he is. The classic brake pad slap.
Well, it's only got half the rotor, so I should only use half the pads, I think.
Yeah, that is
These are iron oxide deposits instead of mercury Dodge.
That is not good.
In my professional opinion, I would not put pads on that rotor.
But the customer is always right.
Customer
Customer's always right.
Yep.
So yeah, he will get pads and then he'll die, and then I will tow this truck from the crash scene and we'll be good to go. Job security.
It didn't break yet, so it won't break later. That's wrong. Don't listen.
On that note, we're gonna go get lunch. Anyway, guys, so we are in Jeremy's S10, and I just wanted to show you that we can take up the entire cab here. These are in the dashboard.
I can't use fifth gear.
So if we were to get into an accident, I would be part of this truck. Yeah. So we have surpassed the GVW. But yeah, get a look at that odometer reading though. 45,000 miles.
And this thing is ready for the junkyard.
Yeah, it was being scrapped. It also almost hit me when the guy was delivering it to Jeremy, but we just won't talk about that. That's okay. It doesn't matter. Everyone ignored it. It's fine. It's my business and tow truck and everything. Yeah, so we are on our way to get lunch, and then we will finish doing all those tows. Alright guys, we are en route to drop the car off at my friend's house. And like I said, he's grabbing it, fixing it up, giving it to a family member because she is in need of a vehicle. So we're getting that car to her, gonna get it dropped off, and take the day how it comes. Alright guys, we just finished dropping the car off. There she is. Gonna head on back to the shop and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Alright guys, so just got a phone call about a crashed car that is junk, and they want to get rid of it. So that is the next town over. So we are going to grab that right now. Yeah, so let's go get that done. Just chilling here in traffic in the town, and I got a couple crashed cars right there. Nice town of Southbridge, Massachusetts. Head-on collision. Nothing better than that. Alright, we are pulling up. The car should be here somewhere. Yeah, don't mind SpongeBob, he just kind of chills. Well, let us look. It's a CRV. Over here.
The destination is on your right, 12 Village Way.
He said it's in the parking lot, and yeah, there's about 15 parking lots, so why don't we call the customer and figure out where it is. Yeah, so we found it, but there is no steering wheel. And the wheels are turned. And she's been in some sort of collision. Oh, this will be a fun one. So I will put you guys up on bed cam. We'll get it going. Got her loaded up. Spilled some training fluid when she was getting winched up, so dropped some speedy dry down. But yeah, it actually went on a lot easier than I thought it would. So I'm gonna head on back to the shop and I'm gonna go home for the day. Alright folks, we are back at the yard. We have to unload that car. However, the wheels are stuck this way. And there is no steering wheel, so it's gonna be fun. Luckily, I have that guy over there, so that is what I'm going to use to just pull that off of my tow truck. So I'm going to set you up somewhere so you can watch that mayhem occur. All right. So, I can't see if I'm recording, but hopefully I am. If I am recording, we got the car off the tow truck. It is over there. Thankfully, I have my Manitou forklift. On that note, I am retiring for the day. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything you want to see, let me know. How do you strap down a car? How do you strap down a horse? I'll answer just about everything. So, thank you. Enjoy.